Hello everyone, this is Shama Verma. Today we will be learning report writing. Before making you understand the format of report writing, I would like to explain you the meaning of report. What is report? Here, report means report is a clear and concise document which is mainly used for some purpose and for the audience. So report is a clear and concise document which is written for some purpose. Here clear means clarity of expression. While you are writing a report, you should have the clarity of expressions. When you are writing any report, you are supposed to have the clarity of expression. You must not deviate from your topic. Second thing is important for writing the report is concise. Concise means it should be of shorter length. It should not be more than 200 words. So it should be of shorter length. Okay, it must not be more than 200 words. So the meaning of report is a clear and concise document which is mainly used for some purpose. So you must have understood the meaning of report. Now we will continue with. Now we have understood the meaning of report. Now I will tell you where the reports are used. Why we make reports? For newspaper, now you must have understood the meaning of report. Now I would like to tell you where we use report. Report. Where do we use? Reports are used for newspaper, journal, and for school news. These are the three things where we use report. Now I would like to tell you the format, how you are supposed to make the format. Now I will be telling you the format of report writing. Format of report writing. First of all, you should write heading. But one thing you should keep in mind, heading should be written in a capital letter. In capital letter. Then you have to write the place and date. Place, then date. After that you are supposed to write the body. And now you will be thinking what we are supposed to write in the body. Body is divided into three parts. First of all, we should write introduction. Then we should write main content. Then we will be writing the main content. Introduction, main content. Then we will write conclusion. Now you must be thinking what we are supposed to write in introduction. While writing the introduction, you should be knowing the 5WH. What is 5WH? I will be telling you. Who? Who has conducted the event? What? What is the event? Then you will be writing when. When the event is conducted. Then we will be writing where. Where the event is conducted. In the second line, we will be writing why this event is conducted. So basically, in this format, first of all, we will be writing the introduction. In introduction part, we will be writing these things according to the topic. So who has conducted, what is the event, when the event is conducted, and where this event is conducted. In the next line, you can write why this event is conducted. In the main content, you will be writing how the event has started, how the event is started, and the main highlights and the highlights of that event. What we will be writing, and highlights of the event. In this main body, you have to write about the event started and the main highlights. Now I will be telling you what we are supposed to write in conclusion. In conclusion, you are supposed to summarize the event. You have to summarize the complete event, leaving with the positive note. So this is the format of the report writing. But at last, you are supposed to write by whom this report is written. Here you are supposed to write the name and designation of the person who has written this report. So this report can be written in rectangle, or it can be written as simple like that only. So this is the format of report writing. We have understood the meaning of report, format of report writing, and where we use the reports. Now I will be telling you the points to be kept in mind while writing any report. So points to be kept in mind while making any report. The points are: first point, when you are writing any report, there should be in past tense. When you are writing the report, it should be in past tense. It should not be in present or not in future. And the second point you should keep in mind, do not use first person. What? First person. What is first person? I and we. Like I, me, we, us. These words, these should not be used. So what we should use? We should use third person. Like he, she. But we should not use first person. First person, I and we. Next point is indirect speech. What does it mean? When you are writing any report, you should not write in a direct speech. It should be written in indirect speech. Now the next point is passive voice. When we write report, it should always be in written passive voice. Active voice should not be used while we are writing a report. So these are the points you should keep in mind before you are writing the report. So what is the question? Write a report of Independence Day celebrations in your school to be published in your newsletter. So this is the question. Now you have to write the report. Now we will be writing the heading. Heading should be in, yes, capital letter. Independence Day celebrated Father regular. School and college. The heading of any report. Now we will be writing what we have to write at next. Now we have to write the place. What is the place name? Ambernath. Right. Then what we have to write? We will be writing the date. So what is date? Date is not mentioned, but you should understand the Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August. And now we are writing the report on 17th of August. Okay. After that what we will be writing? We will be writing the body. In body what we are supposed to write? First introduction, then main content. After that we have to write conclusion. So main content what we will be writing? I will be reading the main content. You all have to write. So what is the main content? Independence Day was celebrated with great fanfare in the school. It was a special occasion because Chinmay Patil of 8-7 was to be felicitated with a bravery medal for rescuing a young boy who had fallen off from a moving bus. And now this is the introduction part. After that we will be writing in main content. What we will write in main content? The program began with unfurling of the national flag at 7:30 by the principal, Mrs. Sonal Palaka. The national anthem was sung by the college music group. Music group name is Swara. While everyone stood at attention, Shubha Pandit of Standard 7 sang a patriotic song which is written by her. This was appreciated by one and all. The principal spoke to the students briefly about their duties as citizens of free India. After this, Chinmay Patil was given the award by the mayor, Shri Abhijit Rane. Everyone cheered heartily and proud of his deed. Sweets were distributed and gathering dispersed by the singing of national song. So what is remaining now? At last. By whom it is written? So at last we will be writing by whom. The report is written by Culture Secretary. Name is Ritik. Thank you. This is the report. I already explained you. This copy I will be giving you. Now we will take a quick revision. Now I will take a quick revision what we have learned till now. First of all, I have already explained you the meaning of report. Now we have understood the meaning of report. Then I already mentioned you about the format of report. How you are supposed to write the report and what are the points to be kept in mind. These all things you must have understood. And apart from this, we have already made one example as well. We have already made the report. And now I am giving you one assignment, which is write a report on pandemic disease, which is coronavirus COVID-19, which is spreading in India. This is the question. On this topic, we are supposed to make one report. So this needs to be completed by you. In this assignment, you have to write first of all the heading, which I already explained you. Heading that should be written in capital letter, then place and date. You can write whatever you want, whether it's still going on, and after that the main content and the conclusion and the introduction that should be written. After that you should write your name by the reporter, and that's all. Thank you.